Hey everybody, this is my shark, or my wife's shark I shall say, and it is a Shark Apex. It's less than 10 years old roughly, and it is completely hammered full of stuff. And let me see, power lift away, Shark Apex, okay. And it says Duo Clean. You can already tell, you can see where we've run it under things. Let's look at this bar right here. It's just completely packed. Not only on the front side with dog hair. No, there's the back side. Looks like chunks of carpet. And this roll right here, special patented technology that they have, this rubber. It's supposed to prevent hair from... Anyways, you can tell it's completely full of air. Oh, look. Bonus. What do we got there? Oh, looks like some kind of plastic. Anyways, let's get to ripping this thing apart and see what else we can find the old wife's made up. Made its way into our vacuum. And turn it upside down. And we should, somewhere along here, let's start with the top. There we go. Pop the trunk. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all those carpet fibers that she's found. Hair. More hair. Oh yeah, that's a ticket. I love this beater bar right here. Just completely packed full of dog hair, it looks like. There is a way to remove that thing. Here it is. Pull it out. Well, we get our bar out. And, oh, nice. Yeah, how's that? Oof. Now comes the fun part. This is non-removable, so I have to cut it out. So let the cutting begin. Always cut away from yourself so don't get anywhere close to the blade. Anyways, hold on a second and I will get back to you after I pull some of this out. Okay, let's give this another try. Here's what I've pulled so far. I swear half her head must be in here. Long hair. Oh. Okay. Nice. Oh yeah, one big piece. Let's get the knife out again. string. Okay, well, we're kind of getting there. Almost all the way. But there's more to a shark vacuum than just this. As I can see up in here, I see a pasta noodle. Well, let's see if we can work our way through that. So far,